Good morning, everybody, and welcome to OptionPit.com, your home, well, hopefully your home for options, volatility, and trading. We have a Saturday class, VIX and VIX ETP Trading Primer. If you're an Option Pit Live subscriber and above, you get it for free. We have a Saturday class every Saturday. For those of you that are subscribers at Option Pit, you go to the schedule page, you go to the monthly tab, and right there you will find the course. Alrighty. So with that, let's get on to the markets. I hate to say this is feeling a little Groundhog Day-like, but it is. The market has turned into a giant earnings play. There isn't really a lot of excitement, even though I think most of the earnings news has been okay. We're stuck right around here in the SPX. Nobody really wants to sell it. Nobody wants to buy it. And everything is, again, driven by this cycle here, which we've been pointing out all week. Nothing's changed, right? Nothing's changed. Nothing is going to change. This is what it is. The straddle's pinned at 49, and the vol will keep going up, excuse me, until it doesn't, until the election, essentially. Classic term structure play where the vol gets pulled up the whole way. So with that, trade ideas. Gold is starting to inflation, getting people worried. Zero interest rates, getting people worried. Right? We have some trades on that we really don't have anything in gold, but I'd like to find something. Probably a pair trade, some kind of pair that generates positive decay. Usually GLD and the miners. We'll set that up in our chat room today. As far as, we got Facebook earnings coming, Facebook doing nothing. So, what we've got is a market moving, sideways. Stocks that look kind of weak. CMG, not too good. That's a little better today, but it opened up down. It does not look great. We tried to price something in there, maybe like some put time spread, something like that. But I ultimately have a lot of sideways action. So time spreads where we're selling this week's options still, I think, look good. And there's still strength in the financials. To me, usually that means there's the hint of interest rates going up. So I think the gold going up with the banks going up is still a little troublesome, but we'll see how that all plays out. But again, I think volatility continues to rise. It will rise. VIX vol will continue to rise into the election at this point. There's just too much wild cardness. We could get one. New snippet that turns things around one way or the other, either jacks the ball higher or takes it out. But right now, it's a strange kind of eerie sense of uncertainty as we come to a point, and that's what happens. Vol goes up. So with that, the cash now is starting to price over most of the futures. We're not quite over Jan yet, but we're over December. So we don't have what I would say a realized vol induced or a market volatility induced backwardation. It's mostly just they're going to keep bidding the vol up until there's a release. That release will happen. Most likely on November 8th into November 9th. And with that, and again, I think that's why you see kind of this funk here with this future, because it stops trading on the 8th before the polls are really closed, and then it's going to settle on the 9th. So for whatever reason, there's an anomaly there on the 9th that we looked at yesterday. Can't quite figure out. All right. So again, more of the same that we have had. I don't say really in any way around it at this point. And with that, I will talk to many of you in the chat room shortly. Bye-bye.